Hello, my lovely, welcome back. It is always a pleasure to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to smoke the best mackerel with homemade liquid smoke. It's going to give it amazing taste, nice flavor, and a beautiful color. I will also be sharing few tips as to how to reduce the fishy smell during and after smoking your fish. Okay, it all starts with a good clean up, a thorough clean, as you can see. So stay tuned, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like. About 15 minutes back in the oven, look what we have achieved. Our smoked mackerel looks just incredible. I'm going to break one for you to see the inside. It looks exactly like what you find in the market. The color is beautiful, it tastes amazing, and it smells just divine. And with this, say hello to delicious okra stew, garden egg stew, spinach stew, and many more. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed, my lovely. Bye bye.